And then ngayon po, ang DOF, gumagawa na po kami ng sinatawag na we are negotiating with 4 to 5 manufacturers to sign 9 binding term sheets to lock in the allocations of 90 million doses starting first quarter. And then si Sec Dominguez po at saka po ang DOF is already preparing for the multilateral funding of with ADB and World Bank and IAB for 45 billion pesos. And then ongoing na po ang negotiation natin with 4 to 5 vaccine manufacturers. And then yung sa deliveries po natin, ito po ang ating target for Q4. Sinasabi nga po natin 100 million vaccine deliveries by end of October. And also by end of December, at least meron na po tayong 140 to 160 million vaccines by the end of December po. And then ang ano po natin, by total by Q1, ang total delivery po natin kasama na po dito yung mga doses na from AstraZeneca, yung sa private sector na 8 million and also for the 6 million na ano po natin, na makukuha po natin sa J&J. For the information of the President, sir, magkakaroon na rin po kami ng signing ng J&J, Johnson & Johnson this week. That is an additional 6 million for the next year vaccination po natin. Para at least meron po tayong immediate na pang-ayuda doon sa ating January vaccination program. And then nandito rin po yung lahat ng mga progress at saka yung ating mga gagawin sa Q1 at saka sa second quarter. Ang ano po natin talaga is matapos lahat bago magkaroon po ng tinatawag na May 2022 election. And also, ang ano po natin dito, magkaroon po tayo ng delivery ng third dosing by start of first quarter ng 2022. Next slide, please. So ito po yung pinaka-critical timelines po natin to reiterate. Delivery of 100 million doses before the end of October 2021, and the delivery of 140 to 160 million doses before the end of the year. On the administration side, we need to administer at least 100 million doses before the end of the year. And then we are targeting to vaccinate all the targeted population before the start of the election period in February 2022. And then for the second wave procurement, we will sign a 9 binding term sheet before the end of October. And we will complete the binding contracts before the end of 2022. That's all for the vaccination program, Mr. President.
Mr. President, today in Clark, Secretary Galvez and Secretary Duque announced that